and I figured why not make my own vessel and then, you know, make my own candles. So I thought it would be perfect. I'm calling them the Rustic Collection because they do. They have that rustic look, that rustic feel to them with the crackling wooden wick, which is really neat. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to start by just cleaning out your vessels, and what I use is just alcohol. Wipe those out really good, let them dry completely, and then we are going to take our wicks, and in this case today I'm using the wooden wicks. These are from the Wick Co. They come in a package that looks like this. I got 25 of these. They also come with the wick clips. So yeah, and these are the flat wicks, and let me see, we've got, these are the 0.04. The crackling level is a 3, 4, and 5, and the wax that you need to use for these specific wicks is, they're best for 100% beeswax or 100% soy wax, which in this case I am using the soy wax. Today I'm using the 464. I always use the 464 wax. I prefer it. It's a soft wax. Probably one of the easiest waxes to use, especially if you're a beginner. I'm also using my favorite fragrance oil by the Wooden Wick Company, and I do create a blend of different ones. So today we're doing some tests to see. We're going to do a little bit of mixing of fragrances, and we are going to attempt to do a Strawberry Dream. I believe we might come out with the name Strawberry Dream for these particular candle vessels. This is what these look like. The inside has a beautiful swirl throughout. I just love how these turned out. And then these here, we're going to probably do the lime and the coconut. I love that fragrance, but this is the inside of these vessels. And it's just a nice little marble swirl. And then of course the Caribbean teakwood, which is really my favorite. I absolutely love the fragrance of this Caribbean teakwood candle. So this is what it looks like. Here's the vessel. And then there's the inside with the wood wick already in there. We made this one last night. So anyway, let's get started. We're going to go ahead and put these wicks together. And what you want to do is you take your wick clip, and then you just take the wick and you're going to stick that down in there. And then like with these here, what you'll do is you just pull the little sticker off and you place your wick directly in the center of that circle and just press it down. It just makes it easier to have these all prepared before you start pouring your wax. So what you'll do is you're just going to go ahead and take this and you're going to place it directly in the center of the vessel. Okay, so I've got my fragrance oil already set up. I went ahead and poured that into my oils, into the wax. Not my oils, I'm used to making soap. So I've taken the fragrance oil and I poured that into the wax. We're going to get that to where it's well incorporated into the wax. And then we'll pour these into the vessel. So this here is going to be the Strawberry Dream. Give this a nice little stir. All right, our last two candles, we are going to go ahead and pour in the Caribbean teakwood into the blue vessel, in our teal vessel, I should say. And then just the natural vessel, we're going to put in this one is going to be different. I'm not quite sure what I want to call this yet, but it might be like an exotic island scent. So it's very tropical. It has a nice banana nectar scent to it. With a hint of vanilla. I mean, it's just got a very, very nice tropical scent. Perfect for the summertime. Let's go ahead and start pouring these in. They are at the perfect temperature. This banana just smells so good. We're going to see how they all act. But anyway, I'm going to let these sit for about 2 hours and come back and show you what they look like once they've set up. They look pretty good. The tops are pretty good for the most part. I would say that this one came out absolutely perfect. There was no frosting at all. Very, very beautiful the way that one turned out. So now what we're going to do is just go ahead and cut these wicks. You want to kind of leave these, but I make them up and then I just have my little Cricut machine. It does all the work. It cuts them all out for me. So with the exotic island, I think we're going to call that one. That'll go there, but I'm going to fix that one first. The lime and the coconut. blast making these candles. I love doing this stuff. I don't know about you guys, but if you've made candles before and you have any tips or tricks or anything like that and want to share, please leave them in the comments below. Everything that I've used, I will list all of those down in the description. So if you're interested in purchasing it, all the links will be there. Yeah, but these have been so much fun to make. You guys can purchase those on my website. It's malenascreations.com. Follow me on Instagram. I'm over on Instagram. I post up stories. I post up, you know, all the posts behind the scenes of doing things, new product alerts. And that is at Malenas_creations. So if you haven't already followed me, go do that. And make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.